Our objective for this lesson is to round numbers to the nearest 10, such as in the examples on the screen. In order to round to the nearest 10, we need to think which multiple of 10 is our number closest to. So suppose we want to round the number 16. So here's a number line to help us. So 16 would be there on the number line, in between 10 and 20. We can see quite clearly that it's closer to 20 than it is to 10. So to the nearest 10, 16 would round to 20. What about if we wanted to round 12 to the nearest 10? So here's our number line again. 12 would be about there. So again it's between 10 and 20, but this time we can see that it's a lot closer to 10. So that is the number that it must round to. What about if we wanted to round 25? So let's put it on the number line again. There it is. Now 25 is right in the middle of 20 and 30. What we say our convention is, if there's a 5 at the end, we round upwards. So 25 to the nearest 10 would round to 30. Let's round a bigger number now. We'll have a go at 154. Here's the number line again. 154 is there, so it's between 150 and 160, but it's closer to 150, so to the nearest 10 we round to 150. Have a go at these practice questions using the number line to help you. The answers will appear shortly. Now we want to look at how we can round a number without having to draw the number line. So let's start off trying to round 78 to the nearest 10. So the tens column has got the 7 in it. This is the column we're going to round to. What we do is we look at the next column down, the units, and we compare this to 5. We could see on our number lines before, the number in the middle was the one ending in 5. So in this example we've got an 8 here. It's bigger than 5, which means it must be closer to the next number up. So if the unit is bigger than 5, we round up. So 78 would round up to 80. Now let's try rounding 264 to the nearest 10. Here's our tens column. So we're going to compare the units digit to 5. Well, we've got a 4 there, so that's smaller than 5. So it must be closer to the multiple of 10 below. We're going to round down. So 264 to the nearest 10 is 260. Now let's try rounding 1365 to the nearest 10. Here's our tens column. So we look at the units column. This time the unit is equal to 5. So using our rule from before, if it's 5, we round up. So this will round to 1370. So remember, when rounding to the nearest 10, compare the units digit to 5. If it's 5 or bigger, you round up to the next multiple of 10. If it's lower than 5, you round down to the previous multiple of 10. Pause the video and have a go at these practice questions. The answers will appear at the end.